Hey guys, here's a quick little video about micro shading. I definitely recommend this procedure if you are somebody that's always in a rush, always on the go, somebody that always draws on their eyebrows every single day. If you have thin eyebrows, this is definitely something you should consider. So this will last you about 2 to 3 years with care. Avoid any lightening creams because it will fade. So you will start to see a lot of shedding and peeling. The healing process will make you look a little crazy because your eyebrows will start to get a little patchy, but that's only going to be for about 2 or 3 days, so don't worry. I will be going for my touch up in about 4 to 6 weeks, and look out for that video because I would love to show you guys the final results on micro shaded eyebrows. And yeah, stay tuned.